The Volkswagen Passat B7 from 2010 to 2015 includes electrically folding side rearview mirrors. This feature lets you fold them inward for tight parking spaces or protection from damage. The control is typically found on the driver's side door panel near the window switches. To use, press the fold button once to fold mirrors inward for parking. Press again to unfold for driving. Some models integrate with the key fob. Hold the unlock button to fold mirrors, lock button to unfold. Mirrors automatically unfold when the vehicle starts. The mirror reflection shows the view, with auto-fold features in some setups for added convenience. The mirror fold button is usually located on the driver's side door panel, often below the power window switches. Look for an icon with two mirrors and arrows pointing inwards. Its exact placement may vary slightly depending on the specific model year and trim level of your Passat B7. To fold the mirrors electrically, first ensure your vehicle is unlocked or the ignition is on. Then press the mirror fold button once. The mirrors should automatically fold inwards. To unfold them, press the same button again. They should return to their normal driving position. Some Passat B7 models integrate mirror folding with the key fob. To use this feature, hold down the unlock button on the key fob for a few seconds. The mirrors should fold in. Holding the lock button may unfold them. Consult your owner's manual for specific instructions as key fob functionality varies. While the Passat B7 has power folding mirrors, avoid manually pushing them inward or outward if possible. Doing so can damage the internal electric motor. Only use manual folding as a last resort if the power function fails. If you have to manually unfold or fold the mirror, do so with caution and as little force as possible to avoid breakage. If your mirrors aren't folding, check these common issues. First, a blown fuse. Second, a faulty mirror fold switch. Third, a low vehicle battery. Fourth, motor failures are common due to age. Repair costs typically range from $150 to $300 per mirror. Online forums offer DIY repair guides, but professional help may be needed. While the Passat B7's mirror fold system is basic, consider aftermarket smart mirror control modules. These devices integrate with smartphone apps via Bluetooth, enabling remote folding and unfolding from your phone. This adds modern functionality to your older vehicle. Looking ahead, newer vehicles now include automated mirror folding that activates based on vehicle speed or proximity sensors, improving aerodynamics and safety. The Passat B7 lacks these automated features, relying on manual or electric controls. With the rise of electric vehicles, Volkswagen and other manufacturers are focusing on newer technologies, potentially reducing support for legacy models like the Passat B7. Fortunately, vibrant DIY repair communities are expanding, providing tutorials and resources to help maintain and repair the mirror fold system in your Passat B7. To keep your mirrors working, consider regular inspections and consult community resources for repairs.